Okay, this is just insane. This channel got 4,500 subscribers in 5 months without showing its face, and it also made 10 million views. Now, based on my own experience, as you can see, I have the YouTube play buttons there in the background. This channel with 10 million views probably generated around $80,000 in ad revenue. The craziest part is that these videos can be created in just 1 hour using AI. Now, you're probably wondering, how did this channel grow so fast? And if you can grow a channel just like this one? Well, because I'm awesome, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you for free how to create a channel just like this one. Let's begin this tutorial. Now, before I show you guys how to create videos just like this channel does, first we have to study the channel and understand why did it grow so fast. As we can see, the channel name is Mr. English Channel and it has 500,000 subscribers. If we click over here to see more statistics, we will see that this channel was created in April 2025, which is 5 months ago. That's crazy. It got 500,000 subscribers in just 5 months. This is only possible because of the new YouTube algorithm. For those of you who don't know, the new YouTube algorithm basically works like TikTok. I don't know how many of you guys remember, but a few years ago on TikTok, anyone could get 1 million followers in just a few months because that's how the algorithm worked. It was pushing anyone. And right now, the YouTube algorithm is very similar, which means anyone can create a YouTube channel. And if you post the right videos, which I'm going to teach you inside this video how to create the right videos, if you post the right videos, the algorithm will push your videos to the audience. And as you can see, a channel that was created just 5 months ago got 500,000 subscribers and made 10 million views, which means if we look over here, I have this vidIQ extension. It shows us that this channel is making from $22,000 to $65,000 a month, which is absolutely insane in just 5 months. So guys, take advantage of this new YouTube algorithm because I don't think it's going to last forever. For example, on TikTok, the algorithm has changed nowadays and it's much harder to grow on TikTok. I assume in the future, YouTube will also change this algorithm and you won't have the same possibilities you have today. So take advantage of this new algorithm today. So getting subscribers on YouTube can be very slow. You post a video, you wait, and barely anyone sees it. It's not your fault. I've been there. I used to get super demotivated and sad when I would post a video and my video would get stuck at 1,000 views. I'm not gonna lie, it feels like it cuts through your heart a little bit. But the truth is that there are millions of videos being uploaded to YouTube every single day. So to help you visualize, this is your video. And here are 3 million other videos. It's not going to be easy for the algorithm to find your video, is it? But I found a solution to it. I use Nexus Clips to transform long-form videos into short clips. Now you're probably asking yourself, how is this the solution? Let me explain. As soon as you post a short on YouTube, it will immediately get views. Now, if you post shorts on your channel every day, chances are some of them will go viral. And the ones who go viral will bring in new subscribers to your channel much faster. That's not even the best part. Let me show you why this is important. Let's say Channel A posted 10 long-form videos this month and managed to get 10,000 subscribers. Channel B also posted 10 long-form videos, but he used the Nexus Clips to transform these 10 long-form videos into 50 short clips. Some of the shorts went viral and gained him more subscribers. Channel B has made 40,000 subscribers. The crazy part is that it took Channel B only a few extra minutes a day to transform these long-form videos into short clips because he used Nexus Clips. Trust me, it's incredible. With Nexus Clips, you can literally upload your long-form video, and then what Nexus Clips will do is that it uses AI to analyze the video and it will find the best highlights from your video. And then, believe it or not, it predicts which of these parts from your long-form video will perform good on YouTube Shorts or TikTok or Instagram. It's absolutely insane how efficient this tool is. I highly recommend every YouTube creator to use this tool. Let me explain why, and I'll keep it super simple. Remember Channel A and Channel B? Let's say there's a sponsor who wants to sponsor Channel A and Channel B. Because Channel A has 10,000 subscribers, the sponsor will probably offer $300 in sponsorships. But now the sponsor will go to Channel B, and because Channel B has 40,000 subscribers, the sponsor will probably offer $2,000. That's why this is so important. And remember, Channel A and Channel B, they both posted 10 long-form videos. The only difference is that Channel B also posted shorts. And this is basically what I've been using on my Faceless channels. I use Nexus Clips to transform long-form content into short-form content in just minutes. And because of this, I was able to post 10 shorts a day and grow in subscribers much faster. It's super efficient. So if you want to grow smarter on YouTube, there's a link down in the description where you can try Nexus Clips for yourself. And you can use my code Daniel to get a 10% discount. So stop being hard on yourself. YouTube is just a numbers game. So take advantage of AI tools like Nexus Clips to grow smarter. As I said, there's a link down in the description if you want to try it out. So now let me show you how the videos inside this channel look like. And I promise you're going to be shocked how easy they are to make. So I'm going to click on the latest upload, which was 1 day ago, and it got 30,000 views already. So let's click on this video. And as we can see, let me put the audio back.
Channel where learning English is easy and fun.
The entire video is one AI generated photo, and the voiceover, the audio of the woman and the audio of the man, was created using AI. Now the difference is that this audio was created in a podcast format, which might seem complicated, but in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to create an AI podcast. So if we listen again to the video, we will see that the woman is talking with the man, and these are two AIs that are talking to each other, which is kind of crazy if you think about it.
Very happy for another episode. How are you?
I'm fantastic. I feel good today.
Now, in case you didn't realize yet what this channel is doing, they're teaching people English. They're teaching people how to speak and understand English. So let me show you how to create these videos. And by the way, you don't have to use English. You can teach people Spanish. You can teach people Hindi. You can teach people whatever language you want. Now, to make everything super duper easy for you guys, I prepared a free document in the description of this video. It's a Google document. Click on the document. It's going to be called Free Prompts with a green verification emoji. Click on that document and it should send you to this page, which is literally the document page. Over here, I have links to the AI tools I'm going to be using in this video, including the prompts we're going to be using to generate the script and the images, the AI images. So if you want to learn together with me and copy what I'm doing so you learn and create your own channel, go to this free document. Everything inside this document is for free. You can literally just copy these prompts and use them yourself and start copying what I'm going to be doing inside this video so you can learn from yourself and then add your own originality and improvements to your own videos. So the first thing we need to do is generate the script. And for that, I have a prompt over here. It's called script prompt. Copy this prompt just like this. And over here, I have a link to ChatGPT, as you can see. Click on this link and go to ChatGPT. If you don't have an account, create an account. You don't have to pay. You don't have to use the paid version. We're going to be using the free version. And over here in the chat, simply paste the prompt and send this message to ChatGPT. As you can see, in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will write a script for your video. And what's cool about this prompt is that, as you can see, the script is meant for two people. We have here Anna saying, hello, hello, welcome to the blah, blah. And then we have Mark, and then we have Anna, and then we have Mark. So this creates a podcast format for our video. And if we scroll down, we will see that this script is super large, and it was purposely created to teach people English. Now, usually what I would do from here, I would copy the script and transform it into a voiceover. But because this is a podcast, we have to create a podcast. What we have to do is a little bit different. So over here where it says, ask anything, you have to write the following prompt. It's super simple. Just write, transform this script into a downloadable text file, and then just send this prompt to ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT will transform this text into a downloadable text file, basically. And as you can see, in just a few seconds, ChatGPT created a downloadable file of the script. We can simply click on this download English podcast script to download it to our computer. If we open it, we will see that the entire script is inside this document. Now, what we need to do is transform this document and this script into a voiceover. For that, go back to my free document over here, as you can see, and over here where it says 11 Labs, go to 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an AI text-to-speech generator. So click on the link just like this and go to 11 Labs. If you don't have an account, create an account with 11 Labs. I think they offer a few free credits for you to use their service, but don't worry, if you don't have credits, I'm also going to provide the voiceover I'm generating myself inside 11 Labs. In my document over here, I'm going to provide the voiceover so you can download it and edit with this voiceover so you don't have to use credits. So go back to 11 Labs, and over here, this is the dashboard. Go over here on the left where it says products and where it says studio, click on this. Click on studio. And over here where it says create podcast, click on this, click on create podcast. Now drag and drop the text file we created with ChatGPT, the script one. So I'm simply going to drag and drop the file over here where it says click to upload. And I'm going to upload the text. Then over here, all we have to do is choose the format. I'm going to choose conversation. I'm going to choose the duration long. And then we have to select the voices. Over here where it says host voice, we can preview this one.
Single rows can be my garden.
Or we can click over here and choose a different voice. I can use my own voice because I have my voice transformed into AI, which is kind of cool.
In the ocean of competition, be a swift fish that finds its own best path.
So I'm going to use my voice because I think it's funny to use my own voice. And then for the guest voice, I'm going to use this one.
Ideas are the beginning points of all.
So I'm simply going to click on it and it's going to select this voice. Now for the podcast language, it has auto detect on. I'm simply going to choose English just to make sure everything works perfectly right. And all you have to do from here, over here where it says generate, you can't really see it because of my webcam, but it says generate, click on this button and it will generate a podcast for you. Now, once it's ready, it should look something like this. It reorganized the script and it also rewritten the script to make more sense, to have a better flow. As we can see, if we select over here, this is going to be my voice and it says Danny. If we click on this part, it's going to show the voice of the woman and it's going to be blue. And here's me again. So this is how the dialogue would look inside this podcast. If I click play, we can listen to it.
End up constructing entire
It starts off with me.
Today, we're exploring how that process actually works.
Well, that's such an interesting way to look at it. How did you come to
That's
think about
crazy, by
language
the way.
learning
This
that
is
way?
insane. Now, all you have to do to download this entire podcast on your computer is to go over here where it says export and export it to your computer. You can choose single file, MP3, and click export. And it should take like a few seconds. Now, as I said, this is going to cost credits. It's going to cost money. And because I want to make this tutorial free and simple for you guys, I'm going to provide the voiceover I just created, this AI podcast I just created inside the free document. So if you want to download this voiceover in order to be able to edit the video as a test so you learn, simply go over here where it says download files and I'm going to paste the link where you can download this voiceover. Because in the next step, we have to create the videos. So go back to 11 Labs and download the audio. But if you're not going to create your own audio, simply go to my document and download the audio from here. And then over here where it says CapCut, go to CapCut by clicking on this link and download CapCut on your computer. So simply click over here where it says download and download CapCut on your computer and install it. And then just go ahead and open CapCut on your computer and it should look something like this. Go over and drag and drop the audio you just downloaded over here where it says import. As you can see, I'm drag and dropping it over here. And then take the audio and drop it on the timeline over here. If we hit play, we can listen to it.
What's fascinating? Language learning is like building.
Now, our video is completely black, so we need the image for the video. For that, go back to the document I provided over here, this free document, scroll down, and where it says image prompt, copy this over here. Simply copy this. And as you can see over here, it says channel name with red. Here, you need to add your channel name. So you need to delete this and add your channel name. So copy this, scroll up, and go back to ChatGPT. Over here, we have a link to ChatGPT. Click on this link and go back to ChatGPT. Make sure it's a new ChatGPT window. So we want to use a new ChatGPT chat. Paste the script, add your channel name over here where it says channel name, Danny Y Podcast. And then click on this plus over here and select create image and send this prompt to ChatGPT. There we go. We have our image for the video. If you don't like it, you can send the prompt again and generate a new image. You can make some modifications to the prompt, but if you like it, all you have to do is click on it over here. It says download and download it to your computer. Now we need to add this image in CapCut. So open this image and add it in CapCut. So back on CapCut, I'm going to drag and drop the image over here. And then I'm going to drag the image on top of the timeline. Now, if it's super small and you can see it, all you have to do is drag this border of the image just like this. And drag it until the voiceover ends. Now, here's a quick tip. A lot of people will not notice, but this is not the actual YouTube resolution. And to fix that, simply click over here where it says ratio and select 16:19. And as you can see, this is the actual YouTube resolution. And then simply just scale this image up by dragging it over here. Just like that. So now it fits on our screen. Now, if we hit play, our video would look like this.
You know what's fascinating?
To make it more interesting, we should add captions. To add captions, go over here on the left, right, where it says text, click on it, auto captions, and then click generate. And this will automatically add captions to our video. So that's how you make these videos. Now, if you want to learn more about Faceless Channels and how I build Faceless Channels, I have a private community. If you go back to my document, there's going to be a link down in the description as well. But in the document, I have a link to my community. So click on this link, go to my community, and join the community. As you can see, we already have 3,000 members. And inside the community, I share things like my channel, my secret strategies. Over here to niches, I share like this Faceless niche will blow up in 2026, 30 YouTube niches and blah, blah. I'm not going to show you. This guy made $1,400. If you click over here to his testimonial,
my view count. Take a look at these stats.
So he shows his analytics from the channel. As you
strategy.
can see, he made $1,400 using my strategy. So there's a link down in the description where you can join my community.